Hey, what's up, fine viewers? So, doing a little more work on our little struck dozer, and this is the, well, it says right there, hydraulic fluid, the cap to the tank, and it was missing the gasket, so just found some old roofing rubber and cut ourselves out a handy dandy new gasket, and I stuck that on there with some of my favorite smelling stuff of all time. All this wonderful stuff here. Indian head. So put that on there. Tried to bend these tabs back down a little bit, but they looked like this thing was cranked on beyond the stops, and it bent these way up. And yeah, I tried bending them back down, but there's no real way to get good leverage to bend that back straight. So I think what I'm going to do is just drill out those two rivets right there and there, and straighten that bad boy out, and then losing focus there, and then just go ahead and rivet that back on with some good old-fashioned regular old rivets. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Okay, so we got this thing clamped up here. I'm going to see, so drill these bad boys out. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let's see if that was enough. Nope, not enough, not enough. All right, let's see what we can do here. All right. Let's go like 3 sizes up. Killing it. All right. It's fun doing one-handed. There we go. All right, let's go to town on that. Oh, there's one. Head of that off. See if I can cut myself. Yep. Number 2. Adios. There we go. Now we can just straighten that guy out. And then get a little bit of that material off. Looks like these weren't really rivets. It looks like they were part of the sheet metal and they just flared it over this, but that's fine. We'll just use those old holes, bang a couple of rivets in there, and with any luck, good as new. Okay, well, there we are. We got that, back into a straightish state. Pop that guy back on there. And, oh my, look, I grabbed multiple different sizes. Throw a couple of... Oh man, it's like the self-ejecting rivet. Of course it fell down into the crap that is a mess of my basement floor. As I blow into the speaker and deafen you guys. Oh, yeah, I'm doing wonderful camera work here. Huh? You can't see a thing. Oh wait, here we go. Here's another one. All right, well, at least we got 2. All right, and so we're just gonna might as well just rivet this guy right back on. See if I can do this with one hand. Probably not. Well, there we go. Come on, son. Oh, come on. Be nice to me. Well, it didn't snap off. We'll get it. We'll get it. Let's pop the other one in there. Bang zoom. Come on. There we go. Come on, snap. Where you at? Oh, maybe these are no bueno. Maybe these are too long for this application. You know what I need? 2 hands. So, yeah, let's see how 2 hands. All right, perfect. That's all it was. I just needed a second hand to be able to reposition and get those little rivets in. And hey, let's go see if this thing fits on, stays on, seals somewhat tight. Let's take that out of there. We'll deal with that little chain thing later. And the verdict. Oh, perfect. Oh, love it. Nice and tight. All right, fantastic. Well, that's one of, a million little things done. An easy one. All right.